How to use vehicle motion cues on your macOS 26. So firstly, open your system settings and now go to accessibility and open motion. And here we'll find vehicle motion cues. It's a useful feature when dots will appear near the edges of your Mac screen. They follow the movement of the vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness. Simply turn this option on. And now I can see 4 dots on the left side and 4 dots on the right side, but I don't know if you can see it because I'm screen recording, so try it on your own. Here you can also customize the appearance of these cues. You have the dynamic option or the regular option. Dynamic are 4 dots straight and regular are 5 dots like this. Here change the color of it. You can make the dots larger and you can also select the more dots option. So if you got the regular option turned on, I can see 3 lines on the left and 3 lines on the right. And if I choose the dynamic, I can see 5 dots instead of 4, and they will follow the motion of the vehicle. Then click on done and you are finished. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.